should have just said 5. So this one is to open it on the left, so chin down a little and body just sinking into the chair. So this one we pull like this, but really when I adjust it, so let your head relax and fall into my left hand. We open it. Fall. Okay. So again, you're getting some of her flexibility to you. Couple of minutes. And then 7, 6, 5. And now we got to get the rest. Lay it this way, so head to the left. And I scoop up like this. Scoop. Head goes away a little. Don't mind me, I'm trying to make this perfect. Okay. Now let the shoulders relax. Hands are nice and soft. I can't have you beat me to that lateral flexion right there. Scoop it off. Let it go. Let it go. That way. More. See a little? And that's the rest. And you feel the difference in those two?
I did.
Yeah. It's like diagonal open, lift, turn off the facet.
Golly, every time. Wow. Even the shoulder pain is gone already.
Yeah. And that's the thing with the cervical discs. Like if you have that cervical nerve root that ties into the brachial plexus, especially at like C5, C6, C7, sometimes even T1, when it's a disc bulging out of here somewhere and bothering one of these nerve roots, depending on how far lateral the disc herniation is, it can get a little bit even farther down that nerve root. Now, the area of the nerve root which is impinging on matters because that's what either maybe distributes to here, distributes to there, or goes as far down as the fingers. You got that pretty bad C5, C6, or C6, C7 is probably pretty bad, but today was 5. And those are the adjustments. That's the way to do it. So say it's on the right, we open it from the left, using the left as a lever to open the right.
Okay.
And if it's the right and you want to get it, you have to pull it off the facet. You have to go facet off, open the IVF, affect the disc.
I need somebody to adjust.
I'll drop you off. Get the puppy. And then I'm out.
You're going to come in to see the puppy on Saturday. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, I'm not even going to show you a picture now, A, because I have to go, but B, because when you see him, you're going to just like melt, like your body will melt into another universe. I promise you, he's that cute.
Me too.
Okay.